enjoy. Going to be two different levels. Level 1, sort of beginner. Level 2, improver. Do whatever works for you. Okay, let's go. Come down on the floor. Okay, here we go. We're just going to go up for 2 and down for 2. Up for 2, down for 2. Now, if you find here, supporting your neck, you actually get, there's a little bit more weight there in your body when you're doing that. It might be easier to do this. Up for 2, down for 2, supporting your neck. But if you don't need the neck support, you can just go here, up for 2, down for 2. So anytime you're actually getting your hands away like that, you're weighting more of this body here up this end. So it's actually going to make it a little bit harder. So you choose. Okay, we're going up the top and then halfway, little ones. Now come down, pulse. Okay, we're going to pulse more, quicker ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down. 7, I'll go backwards. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more of those. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more. I'm feeling warmed up. Okay, lift those legs up. Now, make sure when you're doing this, your back is pushed down. So it's like your spine is imprinted. There shouldn't be a big curve in your spine. We're working lower abs here. Hands can be here if you like. Just tapping the floor. You want to work harder? So that's level 1. This is level 1. This is not harder. This is easier. Maybe not that easy. Harder, we're just lifting up. This is level 2. Same legs, but shoulders stay up. There you go. Stay with it, stay with it. Keep the shoulders up if you can. If you're doing level 2, it's really good. Nice Pilates move, this one. Remember, keep that flat, the back flat. Keep it down. Just a couple more. How about 2 more? 2 more. Okay, legs are down. We go to the side. I'm going to go this side actually, because then I can talk to you. So as we're doing it, this shoulder is going towards the knee. So we're lifting that shoulder towards the knee, working the obliques, working these abs at the side. We had daylight saving change today, didn't we? It was like, don't wake me up. I need more sleep. Okay, we're going to go the other side, try to even it out. For 2. For 2. How are you going? Keep it going. We're over halfway. Home stretch. Always like to say that. Home stretch. 2 more. Up. 2. Down. 2. We're going back to the first move. Up. 2. Just little crunches. So lifting the shoulder. Tuck your chin in as you lift. Supporting the neck if you like. Or just here. Or here. Remember we did those pulse ones before? We went up, halfway, up, halfway, up, halfway, and then down. Remember, support your neck if you need. Okay, the quick ones for 7. Come on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh, I like the down bit. Get a bit of break there. 3, 2, 1. 2 more. You can do it. 1 more. 1 more. 5, 6, 7. Lift those legs. Take down. You did this before. You're basically just doing 3 different moves. But I like to move things around so you have a little bit of a break. Stay with this or lift it up. That's level 2, remember? Tapping down, imprinting the spine. Home stretch. I'm feeling it. Yeah. 2 more. Last one. And lie back and stretch out. Big stretch. Stretch, 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 stretch. Point your toes, stretch out your tummy. Don't put the music on again. I don't want to do it again.